drug shortages have disrupted hospitals and pharmacies.
Well, the pandemic has worsened supply chain shortages, and that includes medicine.
Australia is experiencing significant medical shortages, with over 400 drugs in low supply.
You're miles from civilization. No hospitals, no pharmacies. Just you, the wilderness, and a ticking clock. What will you do when injury strikes? The answer could be right beneath your feet. Plants and herbs are nature's secret weapons for survival, and knowing how to use them might just save your life. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where survival meets strategy. Today's topic, natural first aid, using plants and herbs for healing. Let's dive in. In the wild, your first aid kit might be closer than you think. Let's explore some of the most powerful plants and herbs for natural healing. Aloe vera, nature's soothing gel. This plant is perfect for treating burns, scrapes, and even insect bites. Break off a leaf and apply the cooling gel directly to your skin. It's instant relief. Yarrow. Got a cut? This common plant can help stop bleeding fast. Crush its leaves and apply them to the wound for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Plantain. Not just for food. This herb can draw out toxins from insect bites or poison ivy. Chew the leaves and place them directly on the affected area. Lavender. More than just a fragrant flower, lavender has antibacterial properties and helps soothe headaches and minor burns. Brew it into a tea or use the essential oil for relaxation and healing. Echinacea, a powerful immunity booster. Echinacea can help fight off infections and reduce inflammation. Perfect for when you feel a cold or flu coming on. But here's the twist. Did you know many of these plants grow right in your backyard or local park? You don't have to trek to the wild to prepare your own natural first aid kit. With just a bit of knowledge, you can start growing your own healing garden today. Now that you know about natural first aid, using plants and herbs for healing, you'll want to check out our next video, Top 10 Survival Items You Can Find in Nature. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. And if you haven't seen our previous videos, make sure to watch Does the Government Care About You? Creating a Family Emergency Plan, 6 Simple Steps for Crisis Preparation, and all the uses that can come from rocks. Each one is packed with tips that could save your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Prepper's Path, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay prepared, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.